are some times in life when what you need is chocolate. And that's why I love this chocolate almond tart. It's so easy, it takes a few ingredients, and the great thing about it is you don't really have to bake it. So start by preheating your oven to 350. So for this tart, you'll need the following ingredients: some graham crackers and digestive cookies, some dark chocolate, almonds, butter, dark cocoa powder, some heavy cream, cinnamon, and honey. So butter the inside of your tart pan. First thing I like to do is toast some almonds. Toasting the almonds just gives out a beautiful flavor. Do these on a dry non-stick pan. Making this tart bottom couldn't be any easier. So in your food processor, put 7 graham crackers, and of course, 3 digestive cookies from my homeland. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1/4 cup of almonds. And you don't have to toast these ones because it's going into the oven. And 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. The cinnamon just adds a nice warmth to the chocolate. I can't find the lid. I've lost the lid. So you just want to blend these up. I rarely use the hide button, but I feel like today's the day. Hands-free! Oh, couple stragglers in there. There's one that doesn't fit in, doesn't want to blend. Okay, so this is what you're looking for. So you'll need 2 ounces of room temperature butter. So now blend the butter in. Okay, this looks perfect. So that's what you want. It just slightly sticks together. Just take this and put it inside the tin. I like to just smooth it out. It's so easy, you just press it into the tin. It just feels so nice. You can just use the warmth of your hand because it creates little divots in the side. And that butter and the cookies together will just make the most amazing crust. What you're actually making is a giant cookie. And the only thing you need to bake with this tart is the bottom. It smells so good. So put this in the center of the oven for 14 minutes. Cool for about 20 minutes. And so now for the star ingredient, chocolate. This is a 70% dark chocolate, so you'll need 12 ounces. It just looks amazing. I think if you've got trouble, just chop some chocolate. Might as well just grab it. So now take some heavy cream. You'll need a 3/4 cup. Add a 1/4 cup of honey. You're going to heat this up on the stove. And you want to take it off just before it boils. Just pour this beautiful cream over the chocolate. I think this is the most fun part. I love how the chocolate dissolves in there. And that's pretty much it. Oh, it's so glossy. So the only thing about this tart that's hard is that you have to wait for it to be in the fridge for about 4 hours. Just pour this chocolate on top. Just spread it out. And then before it sets, I just like to give it a little shake. I like how it jiggles. And now I just like to decorate it. I guess there's a lot left over. I wonder who will eat them. Oh, they taste so good when they're toasted. And then I like to put 3 little nuts in the center. I mean, I could just take a spoon and eat it the way it is. Well, it has to go in the fridge. So into the fridge it goes. I think 4 or 5 hours is quite a while to wait, but it's so worth it. Okay, let's try it. Suddenly life doesn't feel so bad. It's so good. It's the perfect size for you to have more than one piece. I'm just gonna go for it. I mean, if the phone rings, just tell them you're busy. Have a great day, everyone. Bye! That's why I love this chocolate. Some graham crackers and times in your life when you really want chocolate. And there's a dog barking. Some dark chocolate. Following ingredients: some graham crackers and digestives.
I'm sorry, those are mine. Come on.
Where's the lid? I don't know. Do you have the lid?